The open action allows you to open a web page. Let's demonstrate. Enter a URL to open. I'm going to use a Supreme as an example. A very important note, whenever you use the open action, you should always use it along with the site filter. The reason is whenever the page loads, it executes all the rules in the profile. So if there's no site filter, it's just going to re-execute open over and over and over again in the new tabs or the new pages whenever the page loads. So to prevent that situation where you're in an infinite loop of new tabs opening, always be sure to enter the site filter. Since we're going to be running this from the practice form, I'm going to copy over the practice form site filter. Now when I open the practice form, it should immediately go to Supreme. Like so. If you want it to open Supreme in a new tab instead of in the current tab, add a text label after the URL. It can be any text you want. I'm going to call this Supreme. So now when I go back to the practice form, it should open Supreme in a new tab. Cool. You can use this action to open multiple tabs at once. Let's open Amazon. In a new tab. Copy over the site filter. Just for the heck of it, let's open a third tab. eBay. Be sure to add these labels so that we instruct Lightning Autofill to open these in a new tab. So when I reload this, Supreme, Amazon, and eBay tabs should appear. Like that. And that wraps it up for today. Until next time.